Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix fast charging not working on your SONY Xperia 1 Mark VII. So if your fast charging isn't working correctly, there are a few things that you can do in order to fix it. But first, check if your charger is compatible with fast charging. I don't really know how it is in USA, but I know that in European Union every charger has to have a label. I'm gonna try to show you that. Okay, you can see right here we have different things shown. And if I zoom it in a little bit, you'll see this is actually an Apple charger, but it doesn't really matter. Every charger has to have a label, and it shows USB power delivery output, because we care about output here, and it says it's different values here. So let's look at the highest value, which is 20.3 volts at 3 amperes. You can multiply those to get watts, and you probably know about watts, like how many watts does your phone have. This one I forgot, I'll tell you in a second. Okay, this phone has a 30-watt charging. This charger has twice that, so for sure it'll work. But if you have a charger that's like 10 watts or 5 watts, then for sure it won't be enough. And now let's continue with another thing. Also check for damage on your charger as well as on your cable. So like look if nothing's damaged on your charger, try wiggling it around, try listening if there's nothing inside that's flying around. Also look at your cable, check if this one isn't maybe the best. You can see it's not the best cable I have, but yeah, if you notice some damage, sometimes the damage may be unnoticeable, so it's also worth noting, but if you notice it, then it has a higher chance of the cable being faulty. And also, it is very important that your charger is genuine. It doesn't have to be a charger from Sony, but from a reputable brand, because if you get a generic charger from a no-name brand, then there's a high chance of it just not working correctly. It can break after some time, and for some very cheap uncertified chargers they can even explode. Now let's move on to the charging port. You can see charging port right here, and it should be cleaned with some non-metallic tool. What I mean by that, I'd recommend mostly using just a toothbrush. I think the toothbrush would be a great option for that, right? And you can just try to get the dust out of it, because the dust may prevent fast charging from working as well. And now let's continue. Sometimes in settings, I believe that on this phone this option doesn't exist, but sometimes in battery you'll find charging settings, and in charging settings you'll find an option to enable fast charging. Here you don't really need to worry about that because it's just enabled all the time. 30-watt charging isn't as fast anyway, so you don't have to worry about that. Now you may want to test another fast charger on your phone, or a different power outlet, because power outlets also may vary, and it's also something important to notice. Now the last thing is updating your phone's software. to fix charging bugs, because sometimes there may be a bug in the software and you may need to update it in the settings. So let's go to settings, scroll all the way down to system updates, then system here at the top, and you can see mine has the latest available system updates already installed. But if yours has any updates available, it is very worth updating, so all the bugs may get resolved. You never know that. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.